right now the most important thing, because of the changed scenario of our lifestyle after the COVID pandemic has hit us, and that is the computer screen and computer vision syndrome. So now computer vision syndrome is nothing but the effect of digital media on your eyes and your eye muscles. How it affects it is that there is something called as pixels on your screens, which cause our eye muscles to continuously strain and cause this strain to cause a spasm to your eye muscles. Now, there are simple tips that I am going to give you, which will help you to combat this for your children as well as for yourself, for people who are sitting on the computer for long hours. The computer has to be at your eye level. The monitor, the upper part of the monitor, that is called as the upper edge of the monitor, has to be at the level of your eyes, so that when you're looking at the screen, the eyes have to be slightly inclined downwards. This gives a relaxing position to your eyes as well as decreases the strain on your eyes. Anti-glare spectacles or anti-glare screens. Science has not been able to prove how much helpful it is, but yes, blue rays have shown to have certain effects on your mind and body. These blue blocker glasses or anti-reflective films that we have, they are said to have some beneficial effects to your eyes as well as to the effects on your brain. The light and the ambience has to be suitable to your screen. So your screen's brightness has to be as similar to the ambience that's around. Now there are some new phones that have got that technology and that have got that feature that the ambience of the surrounding is what the phone adapts to. If it's not, then see to it that the ambience is well lit and your eyes don't have to adapt every time when your screen and your surrounding environment has to be seen simultaneously. The next thing that comes to my mind is reflection of any objects or lights on the screen at which you are looking. So that's also important, because if there's a reflection, there will be glare and that will affect your vision. Sitting posture is really important, because the neck muscles, the lower back muscles as well as your eye muscles get affected during your sitting on the computer. The most important thing is Vision 20-20-20 rule. So every 20 minutes, take 20 seconds break, blink 20 times and look at distant natural objects like trees 20 feet away. Remember this rule, it's the most important in the computer vision syndrome. That's Vision 20-20-20 rule. 20 minutes, 20 seconds break, blink 20 times and look 20 feet away. There are certain exercises that help us combat the strain that comes to your eyes. Most of the times I recommend them to be done in the mornings when the eyes are fresh and the muscles are not fatigued. There is a simple pencil exercise that I'll show you right now, and I hope you understand it. Keep the pencil at an arm's distance with the tip of the pencil at your nose level. Okay, concentrate your eyes on the tip of the pencil. Slowly bring it close to your eyes. You will see that my eyes are squinting, and both the eyes are coming closer to each other. Do this slowly. Hold it to a point where there is a little bit strain on your eyes, but your eyes are still able to manage to concentrate at the tip of the pencil, hold it for 5 seconds, count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Then slowly take it back. Keep concentrating on the tip. You should do this at least 5 minutes 3 times, 2 to 3 times a day. This will help regain your eye strength, eye muscle strength. When you look at the computer, you often stop blinking. So there is some dryness caused and the grittiness caused due to that. See to it that what you are reminding yourself to blink consciously when you're on the computer, even if you're concentrating. So generally the blink rate is about 20 times blinking per minute when we are in an ambient environment and not doing any digital work, which reduces to 5 to 12 times in a minute when you're on the computer and concentrating. So remind yourself constantly that I have to blink. See to it that the air condition is not facing your face, it's from your behind, because that will cause lesser dryness. If the air condition is facing your face, the air that is blown on your face would cause dryness in your eyes. So all these will be helpful. Apart from that, if your ophthalmologist recommends some drops for your dryness and your computer vision syndrome, then that can be acknowledged too. Avoid rubbing your eyes. That's a little harmful process for your eyes. It causes a lot of diseases that are caused, plus it aggravates your allergy. So that's also avoided. See to it that your children are taking breaks between your sessions of school. Ideally 4 hours of a session with every 20-30 minutes or 15 minutes break is the perfect thing for your children right now. That's all for today. Keep your children's eyes healthy and let us all have a better society to live in. Thank you so much.